My name is Varun Agarwal, and in this video, we are going to talk about the question in everyone's mind: what is GST? GST stands for Goods and Services Tax. It is an indirect tax which is levied on all goods and services. It is the same tax all over India. When we talk about indirect taxes, the tax structure in India is divided into two types: direct taxes and indirect taxes. Direct taxes are taxes which the taxpayer pays directly to the government, like in the income tax. Indirect taxes are taxes which are paid through an intermediary through the government. Example: VAT, CST, service tax, customs duty, etc. Now, what are the taxes getting merged into GST? VAT, CST, service tax, excise duty, and other miscellaneous indirect taxes like octroi, entry tax get merged into GST. There are two parts in GST: CGST and SGST. CGST is a combination of the indirect taxes which were charged by the central government. SGST is a combination of the taxes which were charged by the state government in the form of indirect taxes like VAT. What are the major benefits of GST? There is a lot of simplification in tax compliances since lots of taxes are getting merged into a single tax called GST. So the compliance in terms of form filing and tax payment gets very simple. Removal of cascading effect, that is tax on tax. A taxpayer would get the credit of GST paid on his inputs irrespective of wherever he is making a purchase from the country. Reduction of unaccounted transactions. Since the taxpayers are getting credit on all the transactions on which they are paying GST, they would try to bill the maximum transactions of their sales to avail the input tax credit. One tax all over the country. This brings uniformity to all the taxes in the country, and the trade across the states becomes at par with the trade within the state. Rates of GST. The government has planned to classify the rates of taxes in GST under the four categories: 5%, 12%, 18%, and 28%. We'll get into further details about the rates of taxes in the next video. So thank you for watching, and do hit the like button and subscribe button to get more such videos and alerts. Thank you.